Hey guys, Grayson and Beth here with the dynamic duo, the Thompson 5, and we're super excited to share how to get approved in the AIP Amazon Influencer Program. This is where Beth shines. It's really it. You've helped countless people get involved in this because you have realized it doesn't take a large following, it doesn't take a lot of money, it doesn't take star and fan base support and all that stuff. So tell us, how do you do it?
Yeah. So there's two parts of getting approved for the influencer program. And the first part everyone's worried about is the social media. So you have to have a approved social media to start.
Yeah. So is it, let me confirm this. You have TikTok,
Yep.
you have Facebook, you have Instagram, you have YouTube, you have Pinterest, right? I think they just opened up the Pinterest option, right, for
Yeah.
linking.
Something like that.
So there are the most common are going to be your Instagram, your Facebook, and your TikTok, correct?
Yep. Unless you already have a good following on like a YouTube, but not many people who are starting out have a YouTube that is already big and growing. So what Amazon is looking for is not followers. They're looking for engagement. They're looking for an engaging social media. So if you haven't logged into your TikTok in like 6 months, we need to just start fresh. It doesn't have to start fresh with a new one. I mean, you could start with your current one. Make sure that you're posting 3 times a day for 14 days, and I guarantee you're probably going to be able to be approved after that.
So I shouldn't scrap my whole entire TikTok account.
You don't have
because
to,
I
but
love
some
TikTok.
people like it. I mean, some people like to start a fresh one for their influencer program. You can do just basic things about your day, or it could be about your dog. I had someone that I knew that just did an Instagram or a TikTok just about their dog, and that's what grew them to be approved.
Yeah, I thought that one was super interesting that they got it approved based on that. And again, it doesn't necessarily matter what the
It doesn't matter
is.
about what the content
Yeah.
is, what it's about.
Yeah, it doesn't matter about the content. What it matters about is just the sheer engagement.
Yeah.
Now, can you fast track it?
I mean, you could. So some people, saying 14 days, or you don't want to wait that long, or saying 7 days, you're still like, when you click apply for the influencer program and you link your social media and you are still, it still says, we don't want you. They don't approve you. You could go and promote your TikTok video or boost it and pay a couple dollars.
Yeah. I think a lot of people talk about paying anywhere between $5, $8, $10 a day to boost stuff.
Boost some engagement, and I bet the next day you might be approved.
Yeah, I think there is a correlation between how many posts you do and how much engagement you get. We've seen people that have posted regularly and they get minimal engagement, get approved faster than somebody that doesn't post regularly and gets a lot of engagement. So there's
Use both.
It's
Another tip and trick that I've seen is make sure that you're not following more people that are following you.
Ooh, that's a good one. That's a good
Let me say that again. Make sure you're not following more people than the amount of people that are following you.
Yeah. Yeah.
So if you have 30 people following you, don't be following 375 people.
That is a factor.
Amazon looks at that and they're like, that's kind of weird.
Yeah.
So
yeah, there's something about that engagement profile that they're not looking for. They want to see somebody that has a different the flip side of that ratio. So this is not one that you would see normally on a personal Facebook page, because typically you follow your friends.
Yep.
You have the same amount of friends that you have and stuff like that. So usually it's a business page. And then something else. Do you have to be public with all this?
You have to have a public account.
Can you ever turn the public off?
No.
So guys, once you are in the public eye with it, you have to keep it on. You cannot turn it off. And that's kind of one thing people do get concerned about, but also why we have some people that are creating unique channels like around their dogs.
Making a new Instagram account so you don't have to have your personal account attached to it.
Correct. So tons of things with
something
regards
really
to that.
cool too, though, that a lot of people don't realize is for the social media part of getting approved, you can apply as many times as you want. So it's not like the other portion, which I'll get to in a second, of the 3 videos, and after the 3 videos you have 3 attempts if they deny you.
Correct.
This one you can hit, let's see if I get approved now, like every 5 minutes. Like you really could. I mean, I would do it like maybe 2 times a day, but but you can hit it as many times as you want to see if you're approved.
Well, and you can use the same account too.
And
so it's not like
you can try different other social medias that you have as well.
Yeah.
If you have a business Facebook page and you also have a public Instagram and then you also have a TikTok, you could try all 3 times a day. 4 times a day, 1 million times a day. Really doesn't matter.
Are there any mistakes that people can make when make when trying to get approved that you can think of?
I mean,
I think
just not
mistaken
trying? I
not
don't
trying,
know.
not
I don't
that's honestly what I was gonna go with. Like, I think thinking that you can't do it
Yeah.
or there's
Just
such a
delaying it.
just delaying it is such a big mistake
Because
that people make.
I've seen people that like, "Oh, I don't have the following," and I say, "Just give it 14 days," and with
Mhm.
less than 100 followers, they're approved.
Yeah.
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 So, we talked about what happens when you get denied. Just keep reapplying. Now, again, this is very specific to getting approved to the on-site program. So keep that in mind and getting in
That's
this,
offsite.
or I'm sorry, off-site program. Whoop. So off-site program, that's very important in that piece. Like
Yeah.
you can just keep at it.
Once
and
you
keep
get
at
that
it.
approved for your
Yeah.
social media, that's when you're ready to dive in and get approved for your on-site influencer
Yeah.
videos.
Which a little bit of insight, 3 videos and 3 tries. And we'll talk about that in another video.
Yep.
So guys, hopefully you found something good with this. If you have any questions about it, please leave a comment. Follow us. We're going to be breaking down this whole entire process for you guys and try to keep these videos short and sweet. So check it out.